How to apply for Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch your preferred browser and search for Milestone Credit Card. Select on the option Milestone Card. Apply quickly and easily, that is at the top. You will be redirected to the official website of your Milestone. To apply for your Milestone credit card, it is pretty simple. You will find Apply Now button. Simply go ahead and select on the Apply Now button. Wait for the form to load up. Firstly, enter your name, then address, email, phone number, DOB, your SSN, and your income and expenditure. Read out your expenditure limit, your credit protection, and terms and conditions of your Milestone credit card. You can even download it in your device. Select on Accept when done. Scroll to the very bottom of the page. At the end of it, you will see an Accept button. Tap on it. By this way, you'll be able to submit your application and get your hands on your Milestone credit card. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.